What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The previous video I showed you guys and told you that yes, your GoPro remote will turn on and off your actual GoPro itself without having to touch the power button on the actual GoPro, and it will record with the actual remote by pressing the record button right here at the very top, the red circle, and not having to press it on the actual camera itself. So yes, the wireless remotes do work, and they work pretty good. This is the actual GoPro wireless remote that I bought and purchased. I've only known of one other remote to work with GoPros that will actually do the functions and pair with the actual remote itself. I'm not sure what that remote is called, but I'm sure you can look it up and figure it out and find out as long as you're looking up wireless remotes that will connect to GoPro. That's what you want to put in your search engine. But what I'm going to show you guys here now is how to connect and pair your wireless remote to your actual GoPro. Mine has already been connected and paired, so I'm just simply going to show you guys how I did it in the first place. So I have to go into my actual GoPro and turn off my settings so that I can show you guys what to press on your actual GoPro, and then you will turn your remote on and it will connect wirelessly by itself. So I'm going to turn our GoPro on here on the actual GoPro because if you try and use the remote, it won't do anything because you're not paired. So all you have to do is swipe down. You're going to go to Preferences, and then you're going to go to Connections. Once you're in Connections, you're going to read or go to Wireless Connections. You see mine says on. Yours is going to say off. So I'm going to turn mine off here to show you what it looks like while you're in there. So this is what yours is going to look like when you first get into it. So you're going to go into the wireless connections. Yours is going to be off. You want to turn that on. Okay, so now you see it says on. Then you are going to scroll down to connect device because you're not done yet. You still have to connect this wireless remote to your actual GoPro. So now is the point to where you want to turn on your wireless remote. So you're going to turn on your wireless remote here. It'll show you your battery life, and then it'll show you that icon there, the wireless icon. That is when you want to press connect device. Okay, go to connect device. You're going to scroll down until you get to smart remote. You're going to press smart remote, and it's going to say connect smart remote. All right, mine has already been paired and still is paired. So you see my information is showing up here like it's ready to go because it is. Yours is going to have that wireless icon, or basically the Wi-Fi icon, and it's going to be going up and down, showing that it's trying to connect to your actual GoPro. And then once it finally connects, okay, then this is going to go away. All right, and it's going to take you back to the actual main screen of your GoPro. It'll be either in your time-lapse mode, your video mode, or your camera mode. That is when your wireless remote will then be usable for you to record, take a picture, or do whatever. Because this here is your record or take your picture button. This is your power button, and this is your settings button. Okay, your settings button here will basically get you to different settings on your actual GoPro itself. So you can change your settings from your actual wireless remote on your GoPro, and you can change the actual modes, which will be your time-lapse, video, or camera modes from your remote without having to go into your actual GoPro. And that is how you connect and pair your wireless remote to your actual GoPro. So now mine is my wireless remote is able to do everything I needed to do from the actual remote and not having to go into the actual GoPro itself. So I'm going to press cancel here because mine is already paired. All right, and we're going to go back to our main screen here. All right, and now since we are connected, let's try to record here. Simply going to press the record button, and now we are recording. It'll show you on the actual remote itself and on the GoPro. All right, so we're going to stop recording, press that button again, recorded a 10-second video. Now we're good. And now I'll show you guys how to turn it off too, like I did in that previous video. Hold that for 1 to 2 seconds. It'll beep. Wireless remote is off. GoPro is off. Simple, easy. Both of them are off now. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.